All right, so a couple weeks back, we showed you Project 55, my new 1993 Mustang Cobra. Now, like I said, we're gonna do a full restoration of this car, a few modifications along the way. We're gonna show you how to take the car from this to a nicely restored Foxbody hatchback. Now, this is a long process, obviously. We're gonna do it in a bunch of stages, but the first stage is gonna be disassembly. We're gonna take everything off to get the car ready for paint, all the pieces that we don't need, and we're also gonna pull the interior to restore that and also restore the wheels. First thing we're gonna do is very simply remove the front bumper cover. Never did something like this before the restoration. One of the tricks I can swear by, and you're gonna wanna do it, is baggies. Every time I do an install here, I save all the bags the parts come with for something like this. What you wanna do, as soon as you take hardware off, put it in the bag and label it. When you go to put the car back together, because it's not gonna be next week or possibly not even next month, having all the stuff labeled makes it a lot easier. So this is pretty cool. We got the bumper off. I knew the car was hitting the front at one point. These are bent. Check this out. The original build tag is still on the car. Cobra right there. Pretty cool. Brendan's up front draining the fluids. I'm going to work on the window moldings. And there are special tools to do this. I've done these before though with this plastic pry bar. Just get underneath them and slowly, carefully work them up. These will bend easily, so be very careful. Here's how you know you're working on a Florida car. You find all kinds of interesting things during restorations, including a gecko, or what was once a gecko.